सर्वं योगिनां सुरत्कुमारार्पणमस्तु. When Swami was giving darshan under the Punnai tree, one day a family of close devotees visited him. After a little time with them, Swami suddenly got up and started to walk fast on the narrow, raised mud dike between the two fields. The family followed him, but it was a bit of a struggle for them because they were not used to that. Suddenly, Swami turned towards them and said, "The path is narrow. Be careful." And again after a pause he said, "But if you take one step towards this beggar, he will take 99 steps towards you." And then added gently, "Your taking that one step towards me will help this beggar's work. It will make his work easy." What a statement. We all should remember this remark of his, contemplate on it, and assimilate it, and make our first step towards him. What does that mean? Taking one step towards him is calling out his name and praying. With the submission of our 1 hour long Nama Sankirtan, let us all pray soulfully, Bhagavan, भगवान श्री योगीराम सूरत कुमार की जय। सर्वं योगीराम सूरत कुमारार्पणमस्तु. A story of his glory, his Nama's glory. There is Kavita, Sarathi, Vedika, a family from Bombay who used to come here, and Mrs. Kavita became the architect of the ashram. It is she who laid the flooring of Pradhan Mandir. Her daughter Vedika, a few years back when those people had come to the ashram, Vedika was only 8 years. When she was playing around, I called her and asked her if she would be chanting Yogi Ram Surat Kumar's Nama. She said no. Then I said, "Why don't you learn it? I would teach you." And then I taught her the name and I asked her to keep on chanting it, especially if there was some difficulty at school or at home or otherwise. She promised very earnestly. And then she went away. She went back home. She was attending school every day. And then she forgot all about it. Like every other child, playful and busy with her studies, she did not give much importance to the name. And then one day, when she had come to the school, to her computer class, suddenly she remembered she had forgotten her computer file. What was more, this computer ma'am was visiting the class. She was going round from table to table to table. When she was a few tables away, this girl got the fright of her life because that ma'am is very famous for her strictness. She was very strict that the girl was terrified. She thought, what kind of punishment ma'am would give? She would start scolding me. What will I do? She became desperate and she did not know what to do. And suddenly, she remembered what I said, the Nama. The Nama inside her made her remember exactly at the moment she needed it. That's again the glory of Nama. And the girl started to chant the name desperately. Yogi Ram Surat Kumar, Yogi Ram Surat Kumar, please save me, please save me. So when ma'am was coming to the third table, suddenly the lights went off. There was no current And then the ma'am announced, "Oh, there is no current. Okay, I would resume my visit tomorrow." And the girl was very happily relieved from that, from the burden of her agony. So you see, it's a very small incident, but it tells us even a child, even for ordinary things, when you become desperate, how the Nama comes to our rescue. The glory of the name again and again repeats itself in various ways, in various incidents. So next time when Vedika came to the ashram, she just ran to me, jumping and running. And she said, "Ma, I forgot all about this Nama that you taught me, but then Bhagwan made me remember in time and it saved me from a certain punishment." She was very happy, and then she took to chanting this name. So you see how Nama catches people. So this is the Nama that we are all chanting day after day after day, and many of us together, and what's more, in the powerful Sannadhi of Bhagwan. And you know, we have to remember, when we lack quality, when the Nama that we chant lacks quality, we have to make it up with quantity, and therefore we'll have to keep on chanting more and more and more Nama and submit it at his feet, and then pray to Bhagwan